21. Identify all the points where the graph of h of x equals x plus 1 times the x squared plus x intersects the x-axis. Okay, few items. You could simply go to Desmos and graph this guy, okay? You could just graph him and see, hey, where does it cross the x-axis? We're going to look at that in a minute. But let's say we want to do it by hand. If it's crossing the x-axis, it's crossing somewhere here. What do I know is true? I've gone over some amount, don't know what, and I've gone up, what, 0. So I know I'm looking for where the y value is 0, which is this. So what we're looking for is x squared plus 8x plus 16. When does this equal 0? Well, you have this times this equals 0. If two things multiplied together to give you 0, if a times b is equal to 0, you know either he is 0 or the b is 0. So either x plus 1 is 0 or this x squared plus 8x plus 16 has to be 0. Solving this, I subtract 1 from both sides. Negative 1 is one of the solutions. So negative 1, 0 is one of the solutions. That up here? Yep, right there. Here, I'm like, hey, x squared's got a factor. 16. What multiplies together give you 16, gives you and adds to give you an 8? Well, we should say, hey, that's an x plus 4 times another x plus 4. So here you can see x plus 4, they're the same. Subtract 4, you're going to get negative 4. And then as an ordered pair, negative 4 is 0. Those are our two answers. Now, there I'm done. I'm happy. It's crossing in two spots. I could go graph it to double check myself. So I already went and did that. And I entered the equation, and here it is. And if we zoom in now, you can sort of see, you got to use two fingers. You can see it's hitting right there, that spot of negative 4, 0, and at negative 1, 0. So those are the two spots where it crosses the x-axis.